Namaste, divine beings. Thank you for contributing your heart's offering here on Patreon. In this Patreon platform, I share my teachings, Mastery of Consciousness, Siddha Wisdom, the paid workshops, webinars, and online events for free. The Patreon realm is exclusive for those who seek to connect with me from the spiritual realm. You also support my intent and endeavor, Saivam Vetri, which means consciousness triumphs. Our non-profit vision, Declaration of Consciousness movement, seeks the principles of consciousness as the intrinsic, inherent right of every human across the globe. My entrepreneurial vision is seen as the groundbreaking global AI-powered social media super app that creates the conscious ecosystem for a better world. Our goal is to empower every user with the ultimate user experience for their personal and professional lives. CNS resolves major global challenges and revolutionizes business, media, and services. I am grateful for your presence. Om Namah Shivaya. Nandhiji.